Hey, it's JetRex103, and today we're going to be playing a game on Roblox. And if you look at what I'm typing, you can probably see what we're going to be playing. I haven't played this game in you'll see. I'll show you. It even tells you how many days I've been gone. Or it tells you, I haven't played this game in a while, but it tells me when I first started at least. This always takes a while, so I'm gonna pause you guys. Actually, no, I'm not, because I can't click anything with mouse disappeared. Mouse, show up! Oh, I see it. I see it. There it is. No, I didn't. That's not what I wanted to do. I'm gonna get a few things done. You can see, I have a 2-rated theme park. That's my best. I'm not gonna make a new one, guys. You have no idea how long this has taken. Here it is. I started this 195 days ago. Don't need to see that. No. I don't need to see. So, guys, this is the theme park that I made 195 days. Kidding. Oh, yeah, my roller coaster. I never finished that. I want to go. How do you? Come on, people. I have been for a reason. Oh, and guys, if you've never seen my theme park. Look. I have a nice little stand where people can get drinks. I have nice little tables, lanterns, bins, everything you'd want. A lot of rides, a lot of cool rides. Not lame, cool. These are really cool. The space trains. Okay, now I'm gonna go check my roller coaster. This has been a while since this was my newest ride, I believe, that I've made on the roller coaster. It's a really good one, too. No, I don't want that. No, my flying coaster. No, I want in. How do I get in? There. No. Do I click E or something? Usually, oh, it's F. Where's F? F. Dang it. Click ride info. I don't want that. Yeah, it's not the coolest ride ever, but it's good. Oh, people have to go to the bathroom. He's hungry, thirst, tiredness. He's not tired. But he is tired is what it said. Is that what it said? For some reason, it won't let me get in my track. Look. No, why won't it let me in? F for a seat. I wasn't clicking F, was I? No. I might be here a while, guys. Still can't manage to get a seat, but I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try to get one of these front seats. Might be good, but if it ever lets me, I don't. Oh, that F now, I guess. You just run into it. Nope, I want the seat. No! No! Dang it, I am mad. You too? Whoa. This is what it's... 80. Whee! Whoa, there's different camera modes on this, I guess. World's slowest coaster. Whoa! Is this really what it's supposed to look like in first-person mode? No. It's not. I also have that, but did I add any new rides? They did! Dark ride. That's cool. I'm gonna do this one, I think. Do I have enough for it? Yeah. Actually, what's this? Dark Ride Custom Track? What is that? Is this like something for kids? No, I don't want this. I want destroy. I don't confirm. I don't want that. Okay. I'm gonna not this. I wanna do a wait. Intense rides, have they added any swing ride? That's new. Roller coasters. There's a lot more roller coasters now. Water rides. Those are new. Okay, I think I know what I'm gonna do. Intense rides. I actually want to try out this. No, I definitely don't have enough for that. Okay, I'm gonna go with this, guys. Seems like the best thing to do. Entrance there, exit there. Oh, that took my money down a lot. But that's okay. Here you go. It's not open yet. Key pass. And that's... No, I don't want to leave. Why would I want to leave? This is such a good game, guys. If you haven't played it, go check it out. It's super good. Click for ride info. Sure, let's open it. It's open. Oh, you know what I can do? Autosaving, sure. Scenery. Fences and walls. These are always fun to play around with. Isn't it R to rotate? Oh, these aren't going in the right direction that I want them to. Is it fence wood or something? They had like wooden walls. Yeah, these are good to use. I'll use this. I think I used something else. Yeah, I definitely used something else. I don't know why I like mine in like an old lumberjack kind of feel. This always makes it better. I could build a lot of this if I wanted, but I'm just not going to. There's a certain amount I'm going to do. Right now it won't let me place down this one wall. There! Now I need to zoom out for this one. Zoom back in. This might take a while. You know what I'm going to do? Cannot build here. Okay. I always forget that you have to do R to rotate. That would be a nice... I know that's good, like, it doesn't know what direction. But I wish that was a thing in games where it can tell what direction you want. Like, you can just tell the game, oh, I want this direction or something. That would be so, so useful. Okay, roofs. Okay, I just need... Wait, where did I place that? Hopefully nowhere I didn't want to. I want it on top. Is that it? Cannot build, there's already something here. I'm gonna have to get on top, I think, or something. No, this is harder, guys. It's harder than you think. I'm just gonna do this. Is this easier or something? This is gonna get kind of annoying. I've done it before. It's definitely scenery, roofs and ceilings. If I try this. There's that one roof. Just want to get this done. I always like when I add roofs. It always makes it look good. Like it's not going in the right place. These are like the... I've only got it in one place. Yeah, there's something already there. I'd like to pause the video for you guys so it doesn't take as long, but here, I'll try. Let's see if that's still lets. Guys, it won't let me record unless... Yeah, you're wrong. Is there a way to, like... No? I really want roofs. See, I did it over there. I just don't know how. See, like, I can place it perfectly over here. Do I have to, like... Can't do that. I think I had to, like, get on top of it and then do it, like... You'll see. If I zoom out now... Yeah. Yeah, good. Yeah? Where? Okay, after this, there's only like 5 minutes left. Huh? Okay. Guys, I think this is going to be pretty good. Yeah. You know what? I'm going to rotate this. I'm going to do this. Okay, I'm going to move over here. Don't like that. Get rid of all of these. Okay. Scenery. Roofs and ceilings. I'm sorry if I only get one video done today, guys. I mean, like, one ride done. Just this is all new, and it's because I couldn't get some. I was explaining the game too much. Don't worry, guys, though. I'll do more on this. Like, this isn't the end of Roller Coaster Tycoon. Oh, ah! My game. Guys, my game froze. Am I doing something good? Okay, there we go. There. Roofs and ceilings. There. There we go, that's cool. Yeah. Yeah, I like that, guys. Our new ride is open. So it's got a nice little walk area. It's got some nice trash. Yeah, I want to try to ride this. Okay, guys. And that's going to end this episode. I hope you all enjoyed. And I'll see you all later. Bye.